So how to improve your Chinese elm starter tree? Now what we want to do is let it grow out a little bit, and most people will tell you just to cut to the shape of the tree, and you really don't want to be doing that. You want to be following the branch of new growth to where it is to the old wood and snip around about there. Now we want to go through the whole tree, completing this process, and take your time, have some fun. And that's the first pruning step finished, and now we want to do is get inside the tree and look for anything pointing upwards, downwards and inwards. Also found some branches that I would like to bring down just to give it a bit of a better shape, and always remember with the wire to bend the wire and not the branch, and take your time with it. Now a lot of starter trees, especially Chinese elm, comes with this horrible cut wound, and I'm going to use a Dremel just to tidy it up, and in time it will callus over looking a lot nicer. I do like to burn it, but it's optional, and we're going to be using a dead wood preserve just to seal it. And that's the tree finished for now. If you'd like to see more updates on this tree and others, then just give me a follow. Any questions, always put it in the comments.